for Miss Shilpa Shetty Kundra. And we have a round of applause for ma'am, please. Thank you, ma'am. We will have lots of opportunities. Thank you, ma'am. If you can please take your seat. Thank you. Now, for the thing that we have been waiting for, may I please request, ma'am, sir, please come forward and unveil the pack. You just need to press the pomegranates. Please, ma'am. Thank you. Can we please have the packs, please? Both the packs, please, on stage. For Sarah, ma'am. Yeah. Please increase the light. Yeah. Thank you. Now I would like to request ma'am to speak a few words about her association with the brand and also the experience of making the first film with us. You can come to me.
A very good afternoon to everyone present. I feel very happy and elated to be associated and to be able to leverage my name to Be Natural. It is truly something that I endorse personally. And as you all know, my mantra is Swasth Raho, Mast Raho. And this product totally is synonymous to what I preach and what I practice. I've tasted it. It's an amazing product. And in this twist of trying to make people more aware of how easy it is to be in better health, saying that I'm really under the weather today, only proving that I'm also human. But I think pomegranate juice from Be Natural will really help me boost my immunity. But saying that, I think it's very important to start doing label reading, and that's one of the most important things. And the first thing that struck me, or when I buy a juice, I make sure that I read that it is not from concentrate. And that's what this product is. It's not from concentrate. So it is real fruit juice, real pomegranates. And I think in this world where everything is actually borderline fake, it's quite scary. I'm happy to be associated with a product that believes in the real deal. And when people buy it, they'll be happy because it'll actually reflect on their insides. And when you're happy from inside, you actually feel happy from outside. Regarding shooting for this product, it was truly an awesome experience. You'll see when you see the ad, when they told me that there was yoga and acting involved, I was more than happy. So without much ado, I think we must show our friends here what this new ad holds. जब सबको मिलेगा तो फिर हम चर्च करके enjoy आसना करेंगे क्योंकि योगासन तो बहुत कम लोग करते हैं ये ज़्यादा आसान आसन है
Achha, so may I now request, as ma'am said, it was a yoga with a twist. So why don't we request all of you to stand up for a moment, and while we drink this, we also take a pledge for a healthier life. Can we please request you all to stand once, please, if you don't mind? Chalo. To healthy life for. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Can we please settle down? Thank you. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you. The floor is now open for question and answers. Both of them will be ready to take questions. Can we have the mics, please?
Hello. Good afternoon to all. This is for Shilpa Shetty. Yeah. Very good afternoon to you. Why did you decide to endorse this brand?
I'm actually quite finicky when it comes to endorsing brands. I've made a conscious decision to make sure that if there is a product that I endorse, people can have complete faith in the product because I have said yes. To maintain that standard, there's a lot of due diligence that I do on the product. And when this product was offered to me, I normally ask for the ingredients and I read the back of the pack first before I give my nod. And in a juice packet, all that you require is juice. and is real fruit. So if it has additives or color or sugar, preservatives, which most of the Tetra Paks, if you see the back of the packet, has, it is a complete no-no for me. So when you see this packet, it just says, where is it? Ingredient is just one, pomegranate juice. That's it. So for me, that was the factor that played the most important part. And I said, there is no reason for me to say no. So I just think it's important for people to understand how important it is to choose the right product on the shelf. There are lots of juices, and lots of people buy juices. But I hope that by me endorsing this juice, people would have the faith and pick up this product because, not because I'm doing it, but because it truly is a very good product.
शिल्पा जी, मेरा प्रश्न आपसे ये है, this side. मेरा प्रश्न ये है कि गर्मियों में आप फिटनेस कैसे मेंटेन करती हैं और जूस का आपके फिटनेस में कितना बड़ा हाथ होता है?
बहुत इम्पॉर्टेंट होता है हाइड्रेटेड रहना गर्मियों में स्पेशली. तो आई मेक श्योर कि मैं नारियल पानी पीऊँ, पोमोग्रेनेट जूस पीऊँ बी नेचुरल का, बटर मिल्क पीऊँ, छाछ, और ये सारी चीज़ें, नींबू पानी बहुत आसानी से बन जाता है हर घर में. तो आई वॉन्ट टू इनकरेज पीपल इन डूइंग थिंग्स दैट आर नेचुरल और जो बहुत ही आसान तरीके से कम शक्कर के साथ अगर आप इंजेस्ट करें गर्मियों में तो बेहतर रहेगा. आई थिंक इट गिव्स यू मोर एनर्जी एंड आई थिंक मोस्ट पीपल आर अंडरस्टैंडिंग दैट कॉन्सेप्ट एज वेल, है ना.
Hi Shilpa.
Hi.
I would like to ask you, how much stress or pressure do you feel being a celebrity, actor, mother, to be, into a fitness particular correct form or correct shape?
नहीं, उसका तो कोई प्रेशर नहीं रहता. कभी कभी बहुत काम हो जाता है एंड आई एम रियली ओवरवर्क्ड, और कंप्यूटर भी जब ज़्यादा अगर आप चलाओ तो उसका हार्ड डिस्क क्रैश हो जाता है. तो ऐसा कुछ मामला हुआ है आज मेरे साथ. I've been very overworked, but that's the way the human body functions. So I think it's very important to have enough sleep, enough rest, and you shouldn't overwork too much. And make sure that your immunity is at its all-time high. You have to eat the right kind of foods and drink the right amount of fluids. And it doesn't just necessarily mean water. Fluids of all kinds, and especially with lesser sugar, ye mera manna hai, because sugar is really poison, if you ask me. And sugar in its most natural forms. So weight का मुझे या size का मुझे कभी pressure नहीं होता. काम का हाँ थोड़ा सा pressure होता है, लेकिन I love what I do. I enjoy what I do. So I'm very grateful actually to God for giving me that kind of pressure.
Shilpa,
Excuse me?
I'd like to ask that what would be your message to all the women who are scared to live freely in this male-dominated society?
Are scared to?
Live freely in this male-dominated society.
Oh. That's a very heavy question if you ask me. I think I can see a very positive change in our society. If you ask me, it's a welcome change. I feel, and I've said this before, that we live in an egalitarian society now, where women and men are practically at power. So at par. So I just think that जो ladies डरती हैं या जिन लड़कियों में वो confidence नहीं है, they need to get over that and rise above it. And there will come a time where men will start feeling inferior. I'm sorry, with due respect, because I don't think there's any field where the women that women haven't conquered already. तो चांद तक पहुंच चुके हैं. So I just think that it's just a matter of time for those women, especially two tiers or जो छोटे शहरों की हैं, जिनको encouragement नहीं मिलता. But I think this government is really trying to help even there. And I really think that it begins with education. To be educated is where it starts with and where it begins with. So it has to start from the grassroots level. And education पे मैं ज़्यादा जोर दूँगी to kind of get over that insecurity and confidence.
Hemant, so what is the kind of a synergies you will be deriving out of your group companies to make it be natural, a natural product?
I think before I respond to your question, I want to take this opportunity to thank our brand ambassador, Shilpa Shetty, Kundra, to be here, to be part of our brand. And I think she's articulated the brand philosophy so well. And she embodies the philosophy of the brand. So we are really grateful to her to be our ambassador. And also, despite being a little under the weather, which she says doesn't happen to her usually because she's so fit, and still taking the time to be with all of us. Coming to your question in terms of how do we look at the synergy of ITC as a group, we are a diversified group, as you are well aware, and in the food business itself, in fact, when we came into the food business, the genesis of it was in terms of looking at the diversity that ITC had. So we had a very successful hotel business. We had a successful agri-business going on. And we looked at what is it that we can bring together and create this food business. So when you look at, recently we have just launched chocolates, Febel. In fact, there is a small counter here in this hotel as well. And the entire crafting of that chocolate has happened by our hotel master chefs. So similarly, when we look at any product that we put into the market, we take I was talking about spices, the blended spices before, in a response to one of your questions. And the blending of that spices was done by our master chefs. Then we look at the sourcing. The sourcing happens through our agribusiness division. And we have a distribution organization which actually is able to make the product available across the country, which is another part of the synergy. And of course, we have the business which actually builds a brand and the product development and stuff. So it's a very, the synergy that we have is fairly unique to this Indian company. Thank you.
शिल्पा, one more question. चूँकि आपने फिटनेस के ऊपर बुक भी लिखी है, इसलिए ये सवाल आपसे पूछना चाहती हूँ. आजकल कई बार फिल्मों के लिए सेलिब्रिटी एक्टर एक्ट्रेसेस अपना एक तो वेट बढ़ा लेते हैं या कभी कम भी कर लेते. ये हेल्थ पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से कितना सही लगता है आपको? क्या आपने कभी अपने करियर में किसी फिल्म के रोल के लिए ऐसा किया था?
नहीं यार, ऐसे रोल्स मुझे कभी ऑफर ही नहीं हुए, अनफॉर्चुनेटली. आई थिंक वक्त भी बदल चुका है, वेयर actors are challenged with very meaty roles, and to do full justice to those meaty roles, they either put on meat or they reduce their meat. No, I just think that health पे इसका कोई असर नहीं होता, because there are ways and means of putting on weight. अगर आप एक stipulated time period के लिए वो चीज़ कर रहे हैं, और losing weight and putting on weight, actually losing weight is a science. It's not rocket science. और जैसे कि मेरे बुक में या जो मैंने अभी डिजिटली मैंने शुरू किया है, लोगों को समझाना और एडुकेट करना द शिल्पा शेट्टी चैनल के ज़रिए से, कि अगर आप सही तरीके का खाना खाएं और ख़ुद पकाएं, बिकॉज आजकल क्या हो रहा है, एवरीबडी इज़ डूइंग गोइंग डाउन दिस रूट ऑफ क्विक फिक्सेस, कि सब कुछ रेडीमेड चाहिए लोगों को. लोग पैकेट के पीछे का पड़ते भी नहीं हैं, और बहुत लोग काम कर रहे हैं, वो मेहनत कर रहे हैं. At the end of the day, they don't want to, a lot of working women don't want to come back and cook for their families. So I just feel that there are ways to make things, and if it means कि आप बना के, मेरी मम्मी जो काम करती थी, मेरी मम्मी डैडी दोनों काम पे जाते थे, हम लोग ऐसी मिडिल क्लास फैमिली में पले बड़े, तो I understand the pressures of a normal housewife. And my mother used to leave the house at 7, go to Ballet Pier, come back by 7:30 in the evening. But on Saturdays, वो उस वक्त तो किराने की दुकान भी नहीं होते थे जहाँ पे आप फ़ोन करके पे मंगा सके. But I remember on Saturdays she used to go and she used to buy, सब्ज़ी वाले के पास जाती थी, चिकन के लिए या मच्छी खरीद के लेके आती थी 5-5 किलो, and she used to make it and she used to freeze it. तो पूरे हफ्ते एक दिन मच्छी मिलता था, एक दिन चिकन मिलता था, एक दिन मच्छी मिलता था, एक दिन चिकन, और जो भी सब्जी बनाना होता था उनको वो फ्रेश काम के बाद आके पका के हम लोगों को खिलाती थी. सो आई जस्ट थिंक देयर आर वेज ऑफ डूइंग इट रादर देन पिकिंग अप रेडीमेड फूड. यू रादर और घर में अगर आप पका के फ्रीज़र में रख भी रहे हैं तो वो ख़राब चीज़ नहीं है, क्योंकि हमारे इंडियन स्पाइसेस जो हैं वो एक्चुअली नेचुरली और होलिस्टिकली प्रिजर्वेटिव्स है. जो हल्दी है, जीरा है, पुदीना है, लेमन है, वो नेचुरली चीज़ों को प्रिजर्व करता है, ना कि जो एडिटिव्स आजकल मिलते हैं दुकानों में. सो आई जस्ट थिंक कि और हर चीज़ को वो घी या वेजिटेबल ऑयल में पकाती थी, कोकोनट ऑयल में पकाती थी. आजकल हम लोग इन सारी चीज़ों से दूर भाग रहे हैं. तो आई रियली थिंक दैट दीज थिंग्स आर वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू कीप इन माइंड. आपका सवाल क्या था? मैं पूरी डाइग्रेस हो गई हूँ. हाँ, so losing weight and putting on. So that's what I'm saying. So if you have to put on weight, it's very easy to lose it also. बहुत सारे तरीके हैं ketosis के and all of that. So I was actually trying to elucidate कि it's very easy if you know how to put on weight. You also should also know how to lose weight. और जो भी actors कर रहे हैं वो ट्रेनिंग के साथ करते हैं वो सारी चीज़ें.
शिल्पा जी, मेरा भी एक प्रश्न यही है आपसे कि बी नेचुरल जैसा ये टैगलाइन है, तो नेचुरल होना लाइफ में कितना अच्छा होता है और इसके फ़ायदे क्या होते हैं?
भैया मुझे और कोई तरीका आता ही नहीं है. तो मजबूरी है मेरी. तो आई डोंट नो यार. आई थिंक जैसे आप हैं आप नेचुरल खाए, आई थिंक दैट रियली वर्क्स फॉर यू, एंड द वे यू आर ऑल्सो, इफ यू आर, I think you should just stay happy and just be your natural self, and it'll make other people happy as well. So it makes things simple, है ना? In life, keep it simple.
मलिक सर, ये क्वेश्चन आपके लिए है. What is the income of Maharashtra farmers from ITC group?
Thank you. Good question यार. कहाँ से आया ये question?
मैम,
क्या बात है?
I think it's unfair for me to give an immediate answer, because if I were to look at what are the kind of products that we're sourcing, there is mango that we buy from here. There is, I did talk about the anar that is coming.
I'm asking only pomegranate farmers.
No, pomegranate. So I'll have to get the calculation for you and give it. Yeah,
because from our, whatever you are saying from Maharashtra farmers' point of view, we are also looking, they are getting enough profit.
I think we have just launched this product.
Yes.
Right? And I think if we get support from all of you to really tell people about this,
yes,
then the farmers' income will get impacted. So I think you have a role to play. So when we meet after 1 year, you should tell me what, how together we have made the income become better.
Yes, yes, yes. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. I think last question for the day.
शिल्पा जी, on your क्योंकि आप अनार को प्रमोट कर रही हैं, आप इनकी ब्रांड एम्बेसडर हैं, तो आपसे जानना चाहेंगे तो करीबन एक दिन में कितने लीटर अनार पी जाती हैं आप? क्योंकि
देखिए, एक टेट्रा पैक में 25 अनार. हाँ,
शिल्पा जी,
एक ग्लास भी होएगा तो भी बहुत हो जाएगा मेरे लिए.
ओके, शिल्पा जी, क्योंकि हम सभी जानते हैं कि इंडस्ट्री में कई सारे दोस्त हैं आपको, तो आप चाहेंगे कि किसे इस अनार के जूस की ज़रूरत है, किस एक्टर को, या हम चाहते हैं?
बहुत अच्छा सवाल है आपका. घर का एड्रेस दे दीजिए, मैं वहाँ पे आके आपको मारूंगी.
ठीक है. थैंक यू लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन.
शिल्पा जी, एक आखिरी सवाल ये है कि हम देख रहे हैं प्रेजेंट टाइम में हमारे फिल्म इंडस्ट्री में कई सारी फिल्मों को रिक्रिएट किया जा रहा है, कई सारी फिल्मों का सीक्वल बन रहा है, कई सारे गाने जो है रिक्रिएट किए जा रहे हैं, क्योंकि आपने अपनी कई सारी फिल्में की हैं आपने अपनी लाइफ में, तो आप चाहेंगे कि आपकी कोई फिल्में जो है उसे सीक्वल बने या कोई गाने जो है रिक्रिएट किया जाए?
Ma'am, before you answer, just a second for the people who are leaving. Lunch is served at the coffee shop.
हाँ, लंच के साथ साथ वहाँ पर अनार का जूस भी होगा, वो भी जरा
पीजिएगा. And there are some goodie bags for you all. Ma'am, please.
शिल्पा जी, सीक्वल एंड रिक्रिएशन आपके गाने, आपकी फिल्में?
नहीं यार, मैंने सोचा नहीं है इस पे. मेरा कोई जोर थोड़ी है, तो प्रोड्यूसर डायरेक्टर के ऊपर है कि वो कौन सी पिक्चर के गाने को रिक्रिएट करना चाहते हैं या कौन सी फिल्म को वापस रीमेक करना चाहते हैं. मेरे ख्याल से आई थिंक धड़कन को वापस रीमेक कर रहे हैं. आई थिंक सो, आई डोंट नो.
उसमें उसका
I
पार्ट
think we
आप
should
होना
keep
चाहेंगी या
questions
अरे यार
to-
अब मैं कैसे कर सकती हूँ अंजलि का किरदार जो मैंने
Thank you. I think
15
we
साल
should.
पहले किया था.
थैंक यू.
Thank you. Thank you all. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, sir.
डब्बे कैसे